Hello.
This one. Mufiraz, do this. What? Do this.
What are we doing? Huh?
Playing a game.
What game are we playing?
Emoji game.
Oh, I see.
Yes. I want a break, ma'am. We didn't have a break. Ma'am, we didn't have a break.
You have a game today.
Wait, Simon says.
Oh, Musfira Said has a hairstyle similar to mine.
Ma'am, can we
Huh?
play Simon says game?
Today, Musfira Said is looking a little bit like ma'am, huh? With the hairstyle. She's done a messy bun.
Ma'am, you put lipstick on again.
Yeah, I put little lipstick.
I want a break.
Musfira Rizwani, how are you, beta?
Ma'am, we didn't have a break.
What break?
Break. We take all the time break. Today we didn't take break.
So what you all want to do today then?
Break. Gummy bear song. Gummy bear song. I am a gummy bear. No writing.
We have to write now 2 pages today. 2 pages we have to write. Yeah, 2 pages. Amir, please start your video. Mariam Khan, please start your video. Mariam Khan. Yes, are you ready for the revision?
But ma'am, we didn't take a break. Also.
No, but is Mariam Khan ready with the revision? Because others I have to send the golden note. Mariam Khan, hello.
Yes.
Are you ready with the revision?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's.
And Ali. I don't understand. Wait, what revision?
Hey, Musra said, why did you leave your hairstyle? It's looking so good.
Chapter 5. What?
Your hairstyle was looking very good before.
I won't like it. Yes, now you cut your hair.
That messy bun was looking nice.
No, I don't like it.
Oh, you don't like it.
Either I don't like it.
Oh.
This one. I don't like to try. Remove the rubber band.
Yeah, Appa bole 12:30.
Hi, Amir.
Page number 36.
Hi, Amir.
तो भूल मत हाँ.
Hi, Amir. Hi, Amir. Amir is looking down.
Can we have a break?
Huh?
Ma'am, can we have a break?
No, you can't have a break. I'm sorry.
Why?
No, you
Then
can't.
we can have physically fit.
No, you can't have physically fit also today. Ian, please start your video.
We don't have a break. We don't have a break.
Hi, Ian. Welcome back. How are you, beta?
I want to read this all.
Can't hear you. How are you?
Pages. Like read 2 pages. Not 2 pages. We want to do chapter 5 and chapter 6. 2 of it.
No. I may give you all to write even 4 pages. If you all talk too much, then 4 pages to write. Huh?
No.
What is no? Huh?
See? There's 2 pages.
See, Musfira Rizwani is already ready with her pen and a book to write.
Marathi.
Amir also is ready.
Yes. I already write 8 pages.
You already wrote 8 pages. Okay. Ian, where is your tongue? Where is your tongue, Ian? Did you leave it in the holidays and come?
Of them at least once.
Ian,
What we could like to
where is your tongue? Do you have a tongue or is it kept in the holidays?
the next
In the cupboard?
2 minutes phone book coming.
You have, huh? Good, good.
And will be
Musfira Sayyad, please start your video and change your name.
page number 106. 8 of Ran of the Ruby.
Yeah.
I forgot to mute.
See, everybody has got their book.
English book.
Did you all do the activity I had given you all last time about putting junk food and healthy food?
Yes.
Are Amir did. Yes, he said. Very good, beta. Anybody else?
Musfira Rizwani, I did it.
Musfira Sayyad, did you do it?
The activity.
Didn't do the activity.
Ma'am, Musfira Rizwani. How can you do it?
You were distracted. Why were you distracted?
Didn't understand the activity.
You didn't understand the activity. Oh my, Musfira Rizwani, can you please explain to her the activity, please? Could you help us over here because she did not understand the activity. Oh my, this is very funny.
We want to make one column of junk food, one column of healthy food, and then you want to write the ma'am share the screen now. So we want to look at, you want to see which is the healthy food, so you can write the healthy food and the junk food. Ma'am, I did it.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I did it. Yesterday, ma'am also shared the screen, so everybody did it. Ma'am, I did it. See? Did it. Okay, let me show.
Okay.
In this book, where I can what I wrote it. I'm somehow gonna get it out.
Okay. So now, children, we are going to do something. All right.
Okay. Ma'am, you said we are going to learn all the questions.
Today is public speaking and life skill class, right? So, yeah.
Food and healthy. For junk food, we have cakes, chocolate, pizza, burger, and donuts. And in healthy food, we have carrot, rice, dal, potato, and brinjal.
Okay.
Vegan.
How many of you like brinjal?
What is this? I hate brinjal. I hate vegan. I hate
Eggplant.
It's a plant. That plant. I don't like it. It looks like a tree. That one. I have read it's better. It's really yummy when it's like rice.
Yeah, it's very yummy. Exactly.
Potato. I like rice.
And you know, if you put cheese on it and some tomato sauce and you like grill it, it tastes awesome. You know,
Yeah, I love cheese.
with some herbs on it. Ah, it's so good, huh? To eat.
We make it sometimes. Ma'am, I never eaten eggplant.
Yeah, I also love eggplant.
Eggplant is vegan. Eggplant is vegan.
हाँ, बेगन only I'm talking about, beta.
Eggplant.
You have eaten eggplant?
No, ma'am, I have never eaten eggplant.
Why you never eat eggplant, Amara?
Ma'am, I have eaten eggplant. Ma'am,
Began, you never ate began. Began, you never ate, Amara.
ma'am, baked brinjal is very yummy. The
Yeah,
baked one.
brinjal is very, and especially if you get the brinjal from the village, that.
Yeah. It looks like tree. That brinjal fresh actually when we get it.
Yeah.
This much size of brinjal.
Mm-hmm.
It's purple, right?
Mariam
It's
Khan, you know
purple.
what is brinjal? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever eaten a brinjal?
No.
Why you never ate a brinjal?
Cheese on brinjal. Ma'am, let me and then please grill it. And when then we eat it, it tastes yummy. Yes.
It tastes yummy.
I haven't even tried it. I haven't tried brinjal, cheese, and then grilling it. I haven't tried it like that. You haven't tried grilling cheese? No, I haven't tried it.
Usually what we will do is we'll take a bread and we put cheese and then we grill it, right? Now what you do, instead of the bread, you take the brinjal and you put the cheese and grill it.
Yeah, okay. I thought you were telling that brinjal eggplant, we put cheese on it and then we grill it and then we eat the eggplant.
Yeah.
Yum.
Yum. Exactly, Zainab.
Eggplant, we do it in a pieces, put cheese on sauce and bake it and eat it.
You have to grill it, but you have to grill it in the oven or on a griller and
Yeah, ma'am,
in a
I'm telling
pan.
that
Yeah.
first but we break it. When we bake it, done.
One child at a time, please. I cannot listen to everybody at the same time. Who was talking? Amara was talking. Yes, Amara, tell me.
Ma'am, I wanted to say you said grill the eggplant. Ma'am, we put white sauce also, right?
Sorry?
Take eggplant, cut it, grill it, put cheese and sauce. It will look yummy.
It looks and tastes yummy. Yummy.
Okay, then I will try one time.
Yeah, you can.
You know that movie you said, Rag Puja? I have seen it.
You've seen it. Yay, high five.
I just seen half.
Okay,
So
good.
how?
Okay.
It's in Disney Hotstar.
Okay, nice. All right, Zainab, what were you saying, beta?
Ma'am, I saw part. Yeah, I was saying that when we bake it and then eat it and put white sauce on it, it also tastes very yummy.
Okay, I have never tried it with white sauce, but maybe it is good because I love eggplant. It's my favorite. Okay.
Potatoes and cucumber is my favorite.
Okay, cucumber is my favorite too.
Cucumber is my favorite too. Cucumber is my favorite too.
You know
when do I like it? When we put masala and then we eat the cucumber. Yes. I love it too much. It is chaat masala. When we put little bit masala, red masala, then it
when
it is very good.
Yeah. Sometimes you get this kacha curry and then you get this.
Yummy.
Yeah, it's really yummy.
When we went to Kozla, there's a full mango tree and that cherries, and then we pluck it from it and then we eat it.
Okay.
I like cherry. I don't like cherries.
You have been to Port Blair, Zainab?
Yes. Why do you
Okay.
like apricot? Why do you like apricot?
It's a very beautiful place, na, Port Blair?
Yeah, we went to see the beach also.
Wow. How did you go, by ship or by flight?
By flight.
By flight, okay. Some of my friends have gone by ship also to Port Blair. It's very
I
beautiful.
also gone. I have also gone one time.
I gone to water park one day. It was closed that day.
You are also from Port Blair?
No, ma'am. I go in water park. Water park.
Ah, you went in the water park. Okay, okay. I thought you went.
I lived there. It was where it was houses there. I sleep there 2 days.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Mom, once I have went in boating 2 times. I went. Yes, I have. Actually, 3. Actually, 3. Once when I was a baby. Once when I
Oh,
went
once when you were a baby, and what are you now, my dear?
to meet my cousin. 2 times I went to meet my cousin, and then that time we went to we went boating, and then when I was a baby, then also we went boating. That's my dad's go.
Okay. Are we done with telling our experiences?
And I have did it shipping. I have go with ship also.
Zainab, you have raised your hand, beta. What happened?
Ma'am, I have been boating. I have been boating, ma'am. I had been boating. It was so far. Then we go there.
Okay.
Ma'am, and there was a boy swinging on the swing. That swing stops there and it comes not down. Then that boy stuck there.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Alright. Yes, Zainab. Yes.
we went to Goa, right? So we went by bus, and then after we reached Goa, we went to see the dolphins, and the dolphins were hopping like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you know actually? I don't know if you'll have heard that. You'll all know about Baga Beach in Goa, right? You'll all heard about it. Okay, it's a very famous beach in Goa. So there was this is in 2020, okay, when there was like complete lockdown in India. You remember? There was like a complete lockdown. You couldn't do anything, you couldn't go anywhere. You remember? Do you remember those days, children? Okay.
Yes.
So there was a big shark whale that had come on the shore. I'm not joking, okay? There was a huge shark whale that had come on the shore.
Don't hit us.
And it was dead.
What, ma'am? I didn't know.
I'm talking that there was a big shark whale that came ashore. It was on the sand.
And it was dead. Oh no.
It was dead.
Because of the pollution, it died. Which?
I don't know. Actually, the thing is, it didn't have a fin, fin. What happens is in Japan and such countries, the shark whale fin is a delicacy, they eat it. So what usually they do is they cut the fin, okay, and then they just use the fin in their dishes and they leave the fish like that only. So what happens is the fish can't swim, then it becomes difficult for the fish to move, and I guess because of that it died. It's very sad.
But it's where that happened? Where happened it?
That's what, isn't it? People are so greedy today in the world. That is why these things happen. Once their work is done, they are not bothered whether something is getting affected or all these things. It just happens and finished. That is why always you need to think about the other person. whatever you're doing, think about the other person. We don't want to harm anyone, right? We don't want to hurt anyone, right?
I also saw a video like there were a brother, sister, and there was a mom. Okay, so now the mom went shopping. So the kids went to get a toy. When they got a toy, now the mom saw that she hasn't enough money for everything. So the sister was big and the brother was small. So then the sister was saving pocket money for her toy. Then she went in the store, okay, alone because it was near. She went in the store and went for that toy. But then she thought that she should take something for his brother.
Yeah.
Then she didn't take her toy. Instead, she took her brother's toy. I see that video also. Her brother's toy, and then give her the big red car. And then the boy was happy. And then the mom, when she came, now she hugged both of them. Then, like,
Oh.
yes, that I see also that video.
Okay. All right. So I guess I cannot see Mariam Khan. Where is she gone? Where is she gone? I may have to send the golden ticket otherwise, right?
She is right there. She is right over there, right?
Mariam Khan, do you want me to send the golden ticket now?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, then please keep your video on, okay, darling? Yes, Samara, tell me what happened.
What is the golden ticket?
Okay. Video.
Do you want the golden ticket?
Yes, I think Amir wants the golden ticket.
So many. I don't want the golden ticket. So many golden coins.
Yeah. Ian, we need to tell you about the golden ticket. Next week, I'm going to take revision. Okay, I've already posted the syllabus in the Google Classroom. Kindly, please revise.
Some people now, when they look somebody, they look like this, and then
No. Listen. I'm talking to Ian. I'm talking to Ian. Ian, please be prepared with your revision. I have told the children, if you don't prepare for the revision, your parent is going to be sent a special golden note from me.
Chapter 5 to chapter 6.
Yes. And trust me, you don't like that golden note going to the parent, right?
Of course I do, ma'am.
Khan,
If it's
I hope I
golden,
made
so I
myself
take
very clear on that.
It's not golden note. It's so many monies. I can buy anything.
It's a note.
You want to buy
No. It's a note. When your parent looks at it, when your parent looks at the note, that is the time you are going to get lots of chocolates and ice creams from your parents. I think you've got the point, right?
Ma'am, I want to say a thing. Ma'am, I want to say a thing.
Yeah, say.
One time, it's like it is a YouTuber, so that she made like this only videos, short videos. So that in that she said that let's see now I will got which superpower I will got it. So the superpower was like I can read the other's brain. So one time the mother means like she was saying that I want the toy. And then she read the brain of mother, and then she mother was thinking that I don't have a money only, and how I can be saying that I cannot buy for you, daughter. So she says, fine, mom, it is not nice. Basically, it's not very nice. And then mother said, then she said, let's go to another shop, we will buy something else. She was saying like that.
Okay. All right. So children, what we are going to do today? I think today we're just talking, right? We're just spending time. Yes, Amara.
I wanted to say something.
Oh, say.
I saw a video that Chinese and Japan people just take the shark and make a fin soup of shark. They
Yes.
make it and they drink it.
Yes, they make it and they drink it. And that poor whale shark. Yeah, shark whale, not whale sharks. Sorry for that. Shark whale.
Ma'am, some was
Was
sharks and
it did
some
not
was
have the
whale shark.
fin. It did not have the fin, and I felt so bad for it. It was a huge shark. Poor thing. A helpless whale. What was its mistake, huh? But they removed the fin and they just left. I mean, it died. I'm sure because it couldn't swim, and finally.
But ma'am, how we can cut? Why it's so large? And it's also very down.
Okay. What I was thinking was.